The Saris Bike Beam is a clever rack accessory that adapts a bicycle's frame for use with traditional hanging style trunk or hitch racks. If your bicycle frame is a step-through style, full suspension, or too compact to fit on a hanging style rack, you may find yourself needing a bike beam. First, open the sliding clasp on the larger loop by pressing the button and sliding the collar back. Place the hook around the bicycle's stem below the handlebars and close the clasp collar. You will hear an audible click when it is closed. Next, open the sliding clasp on the smaller loop end and hook around the bicycle's seat post. Close the clasp by sliding the collar. You will hear an audible click when it is closed. Lift the bicycle up by the bike beam and hang on your rack from the bike beam. Secure your bike to the rack as directed by the rack's manufacturer. Saris recommends a minimum of 12 inches between your bicycle's tires and the ground when using the bike beam on a trunk or hanging hitch rack. Let's go ride some bikes.